everyone, it's Jennifer, and I am back again with my St. Patrick's Day Stitch Marker Advent, and it is a day 5. So let's find, day 5. Oh, it's got the cutest sticker on it. So there's day 5, and there's the sticker. That's super cute. I like that. So let's take a look at this one. Get it open. Oh, I love that. That's super cute. Can you see it? It's got the little truck on it. Alright, let's take a look at it and get it open. Come on, hands. Alright, it is a lever back. And we will put it on here with all the others. Alright. And here they all are. Right there. Okay, and tomorrow I will start a new clip. So I hope you're enjoying this, and stay tuned for day 6. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.